Here we are in the Cranbury Township area, installing cedar shake shingle on a building over 300 years old. Here you can see the cap nails going into the cedar breather ventilation system to help hold it down until the cedar shake itself is installed. If you take a look closely, you can see the nails. They are stainless steel nails that we're using on this application in order to fasten the cedar shake. What we have here currently is a 7-inch exposure. 7 inches all the way throughout. You can see all the various sizes, and you may notice that in between the shakes we leave some space ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/8. This allows for the shake down the road to breathe as it expands and contracts down the ears.